Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup K-1 related documents with iReceipts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the iReceipts app on your device. Tap on the upload button to start the process. Select the option to add new documents. Choose the K-1 related documents you want to backup. You can either scan physical documents or upload digital files. If scanning, ensure the document is well lit and within the frame. After scanning, review the captured image for clarity. Once satisfied, tap Next to proceed. For digital files, navigate to the folder where your documents are stored. Select the files you want to backup. Tap Open to upload the selected documents into iReceipts. Add relevant tags or notes to help you identify these documents later. This is especially useful for organizing K-1 forms by year or property. Once you've tagged the documents, select Save to finalize the upload. Wait for the confirmation message indicating your documents are backed up. You can now access your K-1 documents. To view them, navigate to your document library within iReceipts. Check that all files are uploaded correctly and are accessible. That's it, your K-1 documents are now safely backed up with iReceipts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.